Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use linear pattern and circular pattern. Linear pattern first. Go to this sketch. Active linear pattern, sketch pattern. Click this X for different direction and this X for second direction. And click the circle for activities for pattern. See? Change parameter in direction 1. Make direction 20 mm. Change direction. Make 5-piece circle. See? In second direction, make 2-piece circle. Change distance to 12 mm. Maybe 15 mm. See? Active extrude cut. Change to true all. OK. Now we will use circular pattern. Go to this sketch. Active circular sketch pattern. Choose this X for direction. Click the circle for entities for pattern parameter. Create this parameter. Click this edge and click this circle. Maybe this point. Make 7 circle. You can change angle degree parameter like this. See? Go to feature, active extrude cut. OK. See? That is a quick tips. See ya.